Oftentimes when women get a bunion, they start to lose range of motion or flexibility in that big toe joint. When we stand in our heels, the height of the heel that we are able to wear is closely associated with the flexibility of that large toe joint. So again, if you have a bunion and you start losing that range of motion, oftentimes many of the heels you choose will be painful for you to walk in. The more pain and less flexibility you have in that large toe joint, the less graceful you will be able to walk in your heels. So the trick is choosing the proper height. Proper height of the heel has to do with the flexibility of that large toe joint. So as you stand barefoot and you bring that toe up, that will dictate and give you an idea of the height of the heel that you should choose to walk gracefully. Oftentimes, a woman with a bunion will have to choose a shorter heel, probably around 2 to 3 inches, and then be able to walk gracefully in the heels. Maintain flexibility in that large toe joint by stretching the muscles in the back of the leg, which again takes pressure off of the front of the foot. If you're experiencing pain in the bunion when you wear your high heels, I recommend taking a break from the heels or choosing a heel that is shorter in height.